Hi, friends! Welcome back. Today we are going to Underwood Family Farms located in Moore Park, California. As you see, the traffic is good. It's nice and smooth. And look, what's in there?
Look at the smiley face.
Oh yeah, that's cute.
Smile! Alright, now we are here in the farm, and as you can see, we have a wagon here that the two kids are dragging.
Heavy, Daddy? Huh? Okay. Well, there's something in there. You guys.
Underwood Family Farm is a really big farm. And I suggest if you go here, you should bring umbrella with you. At this park here are a lot of flowers, different kind of flowers. But my most favorite is the sunflowers. They're really nice, they're pretty. I love them, but without the bees on them. I'm scared of the bees.
Oh, look at the princess!
Look at the princess.
Daddy, she wants to go up.
She like that bounce. Who's going in? Well, put on your mask. Okay. Get on the umbrella.
You wanna pick berries? No, don't pick it there on the ground. You pick it from the plants there. Oh. Let mommy help you. Come here. Come here. I'll teach you. I'll teach you how to pick. Raspberry. Wanna pick that? Okay, you can have it. This one. Okay. Here you go. Okay. So move. There's more. Are you having fun? Not too right. Oh, some of them are bad.
Hey, Pepper.
This one stands. This one. Oh, it's not. It's bad. Macy. Oh, I found one. There's one here. It's bad.
I'm gonna go off to the strawberry.
Stan, we need to get at least 2 or 3. They're not really
Oh,
nice.
I found one. I found one.
Uh,
You guys.
Hey, there's actually 2 good ones.
no, I got one, and then that's it.
See?
Enough. Where?
Multicolor, see? It's not good.
It is. That's fine. Wow, that's a big one. Should we just grab it? Oh my gosh.
Oh no, that's not. Okay, just twirl. That.
You guys.
Ugh.
That's because they're surrounded.
Oh,
You just twirl like that and then pull. It just takes a minute. You'll hear it pop.
Do I do this?
Yeah, and
try
then
and pull.
pull. You try to pull.
There you go.
Yeah, you got it.
See? Do it again right here. Alright, I think that'll be it that we need. We don't need a lot.
Okay.
So I don't want to take too many.
That's it, pull.
Yeah, there's one right here that you can take.
Whoa,
One of those ones, see?
You wanna try pull carrots? Come here, Mace. You pull one. You pull this one. You try to pull it.
Can you do it?
So we got all these ones here. I don't think she'll be able to pull that one without doing that.
Get this one.
You pull it.
Pull it.
Mace, pull it.
Grab it down here.
Okay, babe, let her
Get
pull
it.
it.
It's not as easy as it appears.
Okay, you pull it.
No, she sees a bug on it. She won't
She
touch it.
sees ants.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pull it.
Pull it.
Pull it. Yay!
Yay! You got it.
She saw an ant.
bunny.
Got all these.
Stop
Yep.
right here.
Vera, where's your carrot? Come take a picture with Ava.
That was rooted pretty hard.
Yeah, that's why I do this, like twist. Alright, let's stop. So we got plenty.
Okay,
Stanley,
that's it.
plenty.
Okay, move. Maisie, go back. Let's go back to our wagon. Go.
Okay, there you go. They're my little gardener.
You get your carrot, the one you pull. That one. Take it. Give it to Auntie Jamie. Go.
Thank you for watching. Until the next video. Bye!